Okay, I got it.
It's the first time I've done it by myself. Demon, be proud of me. Here we go.
We're trying to kill a spider.
See that nasty thing?
Hold on.
I'm gonna get it out my McDonald's bag.
I don't think they can see it.
You can probably see
Gross.
it.
Okay,
You can probably
get
see
it.
it on the computer.
Get it. Get it.
Oh snap! It's moving! Ah!
Patrick, get
I
it.
don't know what to do. It went down there. It went down there.
What do you do?
Bro, I don't know where it is. It's way back there. Move fast.
No, it's behind. Move that little napkin thing. Grab the corner of the bottom corner of it.
I can't. It's back there in that mess.
No, it's not.
As soon as I try to touch it, it just dipped back there.
Dude, where'd it go? Where'd that fucking spider go?
I need a flashlight and some bug spray. You need to clean that hole back there. We could just let it live back there. Let's spray some stuff back there and let it die.
But dude, I don't want to go to sleep without.
You're gonna have to like vacuum that out. I don't know what to do.
What do I do?
How about I cover it with this bag?
No.
Look, now it ain't going nowhere.
No, it's gonna crawl over that.
I doubt it. It's just gonna kick it back there.
Then we're gonna have ants crawling in your bag smelling McDonald's.
No, then you take the bag out. You're right.
No, man. This was us trying to attempt to kill a spider, but it didn't work.
It's too fast.
Damn.
I gotta sleep. I don't got. Ooh,
No, they're my chips.
flaming hot.
No, they're my chips.
I like this guy.